Alright, here we go. Gonna be just checking the speed on these with a 100 grain charge using the POWERBELT. Let me make sure that is POWERBELT. I got a couple of them. Yeah. 100 grain charge at double F POWERBELT using CCI 209s. And these are 325 grain. Gonna see what kind of feet per second they are doing. So y'all stick around, and here comes the rain. Yeehaw, damn it. All right, we got the CVA Wolf 50 cal black powder, 100 grain charge, and gonna see, just seeing what we're shooting at, feet per second shooting. So here we go. See what we got. And we got 1461. Okie dokie. Let's just see if we can do another one real quick. Well, as quick as I can reload. In the meantime, y'all might have some music. Ding ding a ling, ding 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 a ling, ding 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 a ling, ding ding, ding ding a ling, ding 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 a ling, ding. So that was 1461. Let's see if we can get another one. $15.65 between the two. So I'm just going to call it that. 1560, 1460. A lot can depend on how hard, if there's a difference between packing, getting it packed in tighter than the other one, yada yada yada. So we'll just call it 1500 as a medium. 1500 feet per second. That ain't bad at a 100 grain charge. So yeah, that's what we'll do. And for the disbelievers out there, there you are. And here's what we're grouping at right there above at the top, right above the target at 50 yards. That's a 3-inch target, so keeping them within 2 inches ain't too bad. I mean, that's good enough for me. I'm taking shoulder shots with this, so that's all I gotta do is just drop it down a couple and we're good to go. That's it. Actually, I probably won't even drop it down because I'm gonna shoot at 100 yards and see what it does at 100 and then go from there.